What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. It is almost July, and Samsung and Apple, but this video is particular about Samsung. Samsung is about to launch their annual event where they pretty much show off and introduce their new iterations of their major flagship phones. In this case, it will be the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Tons of leaks have happened, tons of rumors have happened. We're getting closer and closer to what that actual device might look like. So I thought in this video I will share what I have learned to you guys, my beautiful people. Make sure to smash that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. It definitely helps me push these videos out. I love creating content for you guys, and it's even better that I know that you guys are appreciating the content with that subscribe button. And if you're new or returning to the channel, make sure to hit that like button. It's definitely appreciated. It helps your boy out. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So last year I bought the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Both were amazing. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 was more so for the nostalgia and the touchscreen flip phone factor of it, which kind of pulled me in. The screen of it wasn't too durable, and we ended up having to trade it in because it didn't stand the test of time, I'll say that. The Galaxy Z Fold 3, I had nothing but a great experience with it. I really only traded it in because, you know, this is a gaming and tech channel, so we can't keep it stagnant around here. We got to test everything out. So I just traded in, got the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but nothing against that phone in particular. We have new leaks from PhoneArena.com about the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Galaxy Z Fold 4 of their specs. So as you can see, major news, both versions will be coming with a 512GB version. This is nothing new to the Galaxy Z Fold fans because the Galaxy Z Fold 3 came in a 512GB version, but the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be getting that 512 boost because it didn't offer that in last year's iteration. Most people don't use that much memory, but it's a nice option to have if you do heavy videoing, photos, you make tons of videos, you got tons of downloads or whatever else on your device. That version will be great for you. Now, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 version is rumored to be getting a 1TB version. Now, I see this as a direct comparison or trying to be in competition with the iPhone, because as you guys know, iPhone released a 1TB version of their phone last year. I don't know how many people bought it. With all that being said, I do a lot of content creation and I didn't see the need to get a 1TB version phone, but it's a nice option to have. Like I said, I know tons of people take videos and photos on their phone, and their photo library is like damn near 90% of their iCloud storage. So that's just iCloud storage. I'm talking about actual phone storage. If you take tons of videos and pictures, that version might be the one for you. But I know you're wondering, man, how much does this cost? That 1TB, that comes with a hefty price tag. Yes, it does. So the pricing on these devices is pretty similar to last year. Samsung's kind of doing this trend where every year they drop the device $100. Does that make much of a difference in your pocket? I would say yes and no. I mean, at the end, you're not really gonna notice it, but it makes a little bit of a relief when you're putting that card, you're swiping, and you're signing your life away. Just kidding, just kidding. But it makes a difference. So the Galaxy Z Flip 4 5G is rumored to be $900 at the 128GB version, $950 at the 256GB version, and $1,000 at the 512GB version. Now for the Galaxy Z Fold 4, it is rumored to be $1,600 for the 256GB version, and then the 512GB version will start at $1,700, and the 1TB version that's rumored to happen will start at $1,800. That price tag is up there. I mean, like I said, almost paying $2 grand for a phone. That price is way too high. So I can tell y'all this now, if you're expecting to see that one on this channel, you will not, because I'm not paying almost $2,000 for a phone. Yeah, not happening. Samsung, try again. But then again, remember, these are rumors. None of this is set in stone, so this could be wrong. But also, Samsung has dropped phones in the past we've seen with a very hefty price tag. So I just want you guys to think about that before you make this purchase. They're gonna have a banger of event. I'm sure it's gonna show off all new things, new delectables for you guys to salivate over. But just keep in mind, they come with a price tag. And when you take out that wallet and swipe, or however you pay for this phone, you're gonna be $2 down the hole. Just something to think about, food for thought. But then again, thank you guys for tuning in. I like to keep these videos short and sweet, as you know. Like I said, drop that like button, you guys. Join me on my socials on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I'll engage with you guys. And let me know what you guys think about these leaks in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.